with that green like it's already Christmas. A nigga was sleeping, they woke up a beast. We smoking so much, it's about time for a feast. It's 10K for a motherfucking feature. I am so woke out, I be teaching. She sucking me up, I guess she was leeching. In the back of the Benz got a load out. Screaming while dying, now he better lay down. That bitch was praying while she getting rolled out. This is a war, ain't no shout out for shout out. I'm already gone, I don't care if you tell now. He already lost, now he having a meltdown. Now bitch better get out. They think I am soft like a motherfucking pillow, but I am a rock and fuck with the gorilla. I be styling, man, I'm an animal, bitch, I be wild. Yeah, bitch, I be chillin' while my money piling. Yeah, getting so high, yeah, bitch, I be flying. As soon as I die, them niggas go rise. A tear falls down, they think I am crying. Shooting them up, I don't think they was mine. She said she was real, thou shall be lying.
Hold on, bitch, think she is lying. Mac on the left and the color is sign. A young nigga king, what a lion. No Mortal Kombat, but we get the fight. Then Young J died, then we cause a riot. I zoom in the coupe on the block, we be sliding. Fuck with the gang, we gon' get the bustin'. Baby on me, blowing me like a trumpet. While she suck me off, I be rolling some runs. Feel like Michael Myers, I don't give a fuck. I roll up a blunt and then mask up. I'm feeling real tough, I'ma show him what's up. Catch him in the alley, then rip out his guts. Try to run, then you out of luck. I'ma still pull up in that big black truck. When I put on this mask, I get real dangerous.
Oh yeah, we get dangerous. They so retarded, they think they could play with us. Getting so high, I'm smoking on angel dust. They think I'm weak, but little bitch, I'm a fighter. Was gonna kill, but think I do like her. As it was written, lyrics are tripping. I love me a bad thing, she from Britain. She slurping me up while I'm petting her kid. And fuck that nigga, I'm coming for vengeance.